Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the foundation is ready. Update iOS and open any apps that provide widgets so they initialize. Once done, clear a spot on the home screen by moving icons or folders aside. This prevents accidental placement issues. Next, long press an empty area until icons jiggle and tap the plus button in the top corner to open the widget gallery. You should now see available widgets. This is where you begin selecting size and app. You pick the widget size that matches the information you need, because small shows minimal data while large can display multiple elements. Then drag the chosen widget to the desired spot. It snaps to the home screen grid. Align it with nearby icons for a clean look. If you want multiple widgets in one place, drag a widget onto another to create a stack. Once created, swipe or use Smart Rotate to surface the most relevant widget automatically. Make adjustments until it feels right. You finish by tapping Done to lock the layout, then test that widgets update and open the correct app when tapped. If a widget shows stale content, force close its app or restart your iPhone to clear a temporary glitch. When that fails, remove the widget and add it again. If the issue persists, delete and reinstall the app to refresh permissions and background refresh settings. One key tip: check background app refresh and location permissions. Widgets often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.